our Career Immersion Day by BuildUp, and today was the day where we get hands-on experience on different careers throughout the world.
Coming here was not what I expected it to be. I thought it would be just speaking to people of those careers, but instead we became people who performed the activities that a person as an investment banker would do on a day-to-day basis. I think it was a really enlightening experience to say.
Hi, I'm Anusha. I'm the lead college and university liaison at Vidyashilp Academy, Bangalore. When we got to know about this program, what stood out for us was the experiential approach towards the career exploration. As a career counselor, the questions that I usually hear from students is, which career am I most suited for? Or which careers should they explore before they get into a university? Students are not very interested these days to just hear a professional come and talk. They want to know what the professionals usually do. When these immersions are happening, this is actually helping them to gain insights on what kind of skills each profession needs.
Today in this BuildUp Global immersion, I have explored international diplomacy.
I chose the career of investment banking.
I'm part of the planetary scientist team.
The career that I explored today was marine biology.
I'm exploring marketing personally.
We acted as social entrepreneurs, so we were CEOs of a certain company.
I'm in fashion, right? So in my case, we have to basically design clothes or for a certain character in a certain movie.
Acted as a junior marine biologist, and what we had to do was investigate an abandoned shipwreck underwater which had transformed itself into an ecosystem.
We have to study topographical maps, we have to look at the stakeholders and what are their opinions, and we have to decide what is the safest place where humans can land on the moon, which has the most data and which is the safest to land on. The project I was given was to solve a water crisis between 3 neighboring countries. I thoroughly enjoyed the project. It really taught me a lot about diplomacy. This showed me what I actually need to do, what my work could be, and that just made me fall in love with the career,
I saw children literally reenacting a crime scene because they were part of the law immersion, and I just realized how deeply they are engaged with the nature of the whole experience.
I aspire to be an entrepreneur. This has really opened up my horizons to my understanding of the finance sector as a whole.
I think it was very illuminating. It gave me a lot of insights about this new career that I literally never heard of before.
It wasn't just like a bunch of, textual information given to us. We had videos, we had people speaking to us. I think, that just gives you the real set of the entire place. And I think that was really helpful.
The whole time I was so excited, and I think the best part about today was initially I thought I would be going into biomedical engineering, but marine biology has opened a whole new analytical and creative aspect of mine.
I loved how realistic the case study was. It didn't have any sugar coating. They gave us the real exposure, and I liked that the most, because if you're giving me a real exposure, I know what I am stepping into.
I had career exploration before, but not even close to these hands-on kinds of projects. It was mainly just write a quiz, okay, you should be this is what you have to do, nothing like that. This is actually getting your hands dirty and working on the projects.
Watching what someone else does will never really give you a true insight on whether you should take it or not as a career. But trying it out on your own, it gives you so much more clarity on whether you should do it or not. Like my teammates, a few of them realized that investment banking is not for them, whereas me and another one of my teammates, we realized that this is exactly what we want. And
we come to school, we study on a daily basis, but today was such an out of textbook learning day where we actually got hands-on experience on something we want to build our future on.
When we actually saw them showcase their presentations in the last 2 days, we were really very impressed. We've actually seen some students who are usually not talking at all in the class, who actually came on the stage and spoke so well about what they learned about the professions. There are a lot of skills, I think the soft skills as well as the hard skills, which students have learned in these 3 days.
The experience was incredible. It was awesome, very fun. It also helps in career and confidence as well.
it's a privilege to be able to know what you want to do at such a young age and to be given this kind of exposure. It's amazing.